Alright, this is from the southwest corner of the house, out by the pole barn. I had a full driveway and sidewalks put in along the front, along the side of the house and the back deck. Walking towards the east boundary. East side of the house. Heading towards northeast corner of property. This is your view out your backyard towards the house. Area behind the pole barn that would be good for a garden. View from the northwest side of the house. The pole barn also has a cement pad. The sidewalks and the back sidewalk to the deck is all brand new as of last year, professionally. Outside view of the pole barn. I had the little door put in. This is all new with deadbolt. Okay, I had all new LED lighting put in, ceiling fans. It is a forced air furnace that heats well. It's insulated. It also comes with central air, all of which work great. It has great climate control. fuse panel, 10-foot door, 11-foot ceilings. Garage door opener does work good. There are no cracks in the concrete. If you see a little dirt, it's just dust that hasn't been swept up. It has very nice concrete. Pole barn does have 3 hookups for 220. The dimensions can be found in the ad. Pole barn also has water available inside. It is very well insulated and easy on heat, as I heat it all year. Here's the generator box. The generator I'll show you shortly in the attached garage. Just a box put in. There is a plug already set to be hooked up. Just start it up and power your house. Walk up the back deck. It's your view out your backyard. Very peaceful. All new concrete that's around roughly a year old. The driveway has mesh in every inch of the concrete. I also had new fixtures put in on the front side of the garage. 5 lights total. 2 on the front of the house, 2 on the garage, 1 through the side door. Going into the attached garage that leads into the house. Garage door opener works good, LED lights. Here is the generator that comes with the house. It is a Porter cable with a 9-horse Honda, very low hours. Heading in through the walkway. Here is how the generator is hooked up, professionally installed. Look down the hallway. This is the laundry room slash spare bedroom, spare bathroom rather. I have a new Samsung washer I put in last year. All the storage you'll ever need. Check the ad for reference. We have a Payne high efficiency, freshly done. I believe you can check the ad for reference on the exact year, but it's not very old. Very easy on heat. Water softener is a Morton, which is owned. Hot water heater. Everything works as it should. I've also had new exhaust fans put in both bathrooms. This is the kitchen It has all custom maple cabinets, more storage than I ever needed. Pull-out drawers, pull-out cutting boards. I had a new American Standard faucet put in both this and the master bath. Plenty of storage space. I had a new sliding glass door put in as well. Heading into the living room. Rather spacious. The roof on the house has been recent, as well as on a pole barn. You can check the ad for reference for the exact years. Here is the bathroom. Rather large. Jacuzzi tub, stand-up shower. New American Standard toilet, as well as faucet for the sink. Everything works as it should. I live alone, so there will be 2 empty bedrooms. There's bifold closet doors with plenty of storage. Bedroom 2. Now we are heading into the master bedroom. I have painted and installed new laminate flooring. Bed is a queen size for reference. Plenty of closet space. The house is very easy on heat. Picture frame ceilings. All the fixtures work as they should. View out your front door. Thanks for looking.